Have you ever tried visiting your favorite website or an online web application and it just doesn't work? Then you're sitting down probably wondering, is it just my connection or a wider problem? It's like your power just went out and you're peeping through your window, open so hard it's the same for your neighbor. Without delving into the complexity of interpreting error codes, welcome to Downdetector.com, your solution to real-time insights, solving the problem of detecting or visualizing the availability of website access, or lack thereof. In today's hyper-connected world, it keeps you in the know for website downtimes, service issues, live outage maps, easy reporting, discussion portal, and more enhanced capability even on their mobile app. So the next time you run into this kind of issue, before you start fine-tuning your internet connection, your computer, or your cables, always remember to make Downdetector.com your first stop. Until next time, stay safe and keep those personal information private. You're welcome. I'll see you on the next one. Adios.